Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your name on Google Meet using your computer. This is super easy and only takes a few seconds. First, open your browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that you use for Google Meet. Then, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. Once your account settings open, click on Personal Info from the menu on the left side. Scroll down to the Basic Info section and look for your name. Click on your name, then click it again to open the editing page. Now you'll see boxes for your first name and last name. Edit them however you want, and when you're done, click Save. Your new name will automatically update across all Google services, including Google Meet, Gmail, and Google Drive. To check, go back to meet.google.com and start or join a meeting. You'll now see your updated name appear in the participant list. And that's it. That's how to change your name on Google Meet using your computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more easy tech tutorials like this.